I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Corolla check engine light. First, locate your car battery under the hood. Using a wrench, carefully disconnect the negative battery terminal. Leave it disconnected for at least 15 minutes. This simple action can often clear the check engine light by resetting the car's computer. Remember to ensure your vehicle is completely off and parked safely before starting this process. Another effective method involves using an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner. You can purchase one at most auto parts stores. Locate your car's diagnostic port, typically beneath the steering wheel on the driver's side. Plug in the scanner, turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine, and follow the device's prompts to read and clear the trouble codes. This will turn off the check engine light. It's crucial to remember that resetting the light doesn't fix the problem. If the light reappears, it means there's an underlying issue that needs attention. Common culprits include a loose gas cap, which is an easy fix, or more complex problems like a failing oxygen sensor or worn spark plugs. Always address the root cause to prevent further damage to your vehicle. If your check engine light comes back on after trying these methods, or if your Toyota Corolla is experiencing noticeable performance issues like reduced power, poor fuel economy, or strange noises, it's time to consult a qualified mechanic. They have specialized tools to accurately diagnose the problem and perform the necessary repairs, ensuring your vehicle runs safely and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.